There are a few ways you can make some extra money on the side by collecting golf balls. One way is to start your own small golf ball collecting business. You can collect a bulk lot of used golf balls from a golf course or from a driving range and sell them for a profit at local flea markets or online on sites like eBay, OfferUp, and more. Another option is to partner with a golf course and collect the balls that land in the water or wood surrounding the course. You can then sell them back to the golf course at a discounted price. If you have some extra time on your hands, you can also collect golf balls from the driving range. Simply bag them up and sell them online. Whatever route you choose, collecting golf balls can be a fun and profitable way to make some extra cash. There are a few pieces of equipment you will need in order to start collecting golf balls. The most important piece of equipment is a good quality golf ball retriever. A golf ball retriever will help you to quickly and easily collect golf balls from the water or the sand. You can buy a low-cost ball retriever online or at most local sporting goods stores. In addition to a ball retriever, you will also need a sturdy bag or bucket to carry your equipment in. A golf bag is perfect for this purpose, but any type of bag will work. If you prefer a bucket, just grab one from Home Depot or Lowe's Hardware for $5. You may also want to invest in some gloves, as they will help protect your hands while you are picking up golf balls. Finally, make sure you have plenty of storage space for all of the golf balls you collect. Overall, many people have turned collecting golf balls into a very profitable side hustle, and you can get your own slice of the pie. The price of golf balls varies depending on the brand and type. However, most individual golf balls sell for between 50 cents and $2 each. This means if you're serious about collecting them, you could make a couple of $100s per month with minimal equipment and a very low startup cost. This is a great side hustle to start. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to tune in for more money-making ideas and work-from-home job leads. Till next time, this has been the Cyberspace Nomad, and I'm signing off.